Welcome, everyone. We've gathered all of our friends from Agua Lagoon Foundation to explore nature, the environment, plants, and even animals. So please join us as we bring you crafts, gardening, cooking, all kinds of fun games and activities. We even have our resident scientist here to answer your questions. Get ready as we explore our Agua clip of the day.
Hi friends, it's Lauren from Craft Corner, and today I'm going to show you how to make some ocean animals using recycled materials. I'm going to show you how to make an octopus, a fish, and a turtle. For the octopus, all you'll need is a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll and some paint or markers. This bigger one here is made out of a paper towel roll, and the smaller one is made out of a toilet paper roll. I'm going to show you how to make the baby octopus. I've painted mine yellow. You can choose whatever color you'd like. Make sure that you let the paint dry before you start cutting. And since an octopus has 8 tentacles, you're going to cut the toilet paper roll 8 times. Make sure to cut about halfway up. Then you can kind of put its arms and legs out, kind of curl the bottoms. Now I'm going to use a marker to make a little happy face. I also used some glitter glue to make the little suckers on each of its arms and legs. And there's my little octopus. For the fish, all you'll need is a plastic water bottle and some party streamers. I also used some construction paper to add the fins. You're going to take the water bottle and wrap the party streamer around it. I used some orange construction paper and a red marker to make the fins for the fish. So I'm going to add some glue and add it on to complete the body. I also added a tail and an eye, and now I have my completed fish. And for the turtle, all you'll need is an egg carton, some construction paper, and some paint. This is a simple craft, as all you'll need to do is paint your egg carton and then take a piece of construction paper and add the legs, the head, and the tail. So it almost looks like a starfish or a sea star. But when you put the shell on top, the egg carton, it's going to turn into the turtle's head and the forelegs and also its tail. And all you'll need is to just put a little bit of glue on that egg carton. Put some on the edge as well. Hold it down for about 10 seconds to let it dry. And then you could add some eyes or even some more detail to its feet or tail. And simple, you have a little sea turtle. I hope you enjoy making all of these ocean animals using recycled materials.
Thank you for tuning in to Agua a Day. This video is brought to you by our sponsors, Hale & Associates and JP Mortgage. Like what you saw so far? Make sure to tune into our YouTube, social media sites, and website, www.aguahedionda.org, where we bring more virtual education to you.